Welcome back, guys. Automotive Inc. here, and today I'm showing you how to reset your oil life monitor in your 22 and up Nissan Pathfinder. Now, if you continued on from the oil change video, guys, it'll be linked down below if you want to know how to change your own oil, save yourself a lot of coin, and all of those come with linkable things to the Zon, where you can cruise over there and save yourself some moolah. But of course, once you do the oil change, you do need to go in and reset your oil life monitor. Before we get started, if you don't mind, smash the subscribe button, helps my small channel out, thumbs up, and notification bell. So inside your Nissan, you're probably going to have up here your oil reminder. It's going to tick down. It's going to be set at whatever it's set at to go from whatever 5,000 down. Now, keeping in mind, at least your oil changes with the recommended service maintenance schedule in your owner's manual. This is how you're going to reset it. So from this menu, guys, we need to toggle through and get to our little gear cog. We're going to click on that with using the push button and these arrows. Then from here, you can scroll up or scroll down. We need to get to the maintenance display. So we're going to click on maintenance, guys, and here you can go into service, your air filter and tire. Service is where you're going to find your oil change. You can see right there, it says 75 miles left. That's the thing that's going to pop up, and you're going to have every time you start the vehicle till you redo it. And all you have to do is push and hold this to reset it. So we'll push and hold. And it should reset here in just a second. Take that back. You're going to actually just push it for reset, scroll down to yes, and now it's going to be reset for 10,000 mile intervals. I don't like that. So what you can do is you can go back here and you can actually go into other and hit your reminder, hit OK, and you can scroll up and set this for about 4,000 to 5,000 miles, whatever you want. I think the oil interchange intervals are 5,000. And so now we can go back here. And again, you can do this with your air filter and everything. You can hit reminders, if you will. But to actually change it from the 10,000 mile one, I don't necessarily know if I like that. So I like to just write it down in my book and keep track of it. Obviously, this is an even number. We're almost at 11,000 miles, so right about 16,000. But we did set that reminder in the system for that 5,000. There's really no other way to really go through and change that in the system per se. That it's kind of generic, if you will. But that's how you're going to reset that, so you don't have to see it again for 10,000 miles or whatever. But you might be able to do that at Nissan. You might be able to go in there and ask them, request that to change that reminder so it's a little bit lower. But that is how you're going to reset your thing. Again, if you want to learn how to change your own oil, head over to the link that's down in the description. Always hit the more button. Go down below. That's where you're going to find all my links and more links to other videos that are somewhat connected to this vehicle. As always, guys, appreciate you guys being here. Catch you on the next one.